You need to hear this if you've ever dreamt of building your own robot army, or wondered if 3D printing is just for making keychains. Spoiler, it's way cooler than that. So, 3D printing has come a long way from plastic toys phone stands. In the last year, tech enthusiasts have pushed the limits, printing everything from working drones robots that actually move. Here's how it happens. You start with a digital model. Think of it like a blueprint for your robot. The printer lays down layer after layer of material, sometimes even using multiple types for flexibility strength. Then, you add electronics. Motors, batteries, a microcontroller, and suddenly, your creation springs to life. What's wild is the level of detail you can get. Articulated fingers, rotating joint sensors for basic AI behaviors, all printed at home. People are sharing their designs online, remixing each other's ideas, and creating a global hive mind of inventors. Of course, there's a serious side to this. 3D printing technology can be used for amazing things, like prosthetics for kids' custom tools, but it also raises questions about safety, especially when it comes to printing more dangerous items. So if you're thinking of firing up your printer, start with something fun. Try a mini robot, a simple gadget, a helpful device. The future of making is literally at your fingertips. Curious about what else you can print? Hit subscribe because this is just the beginning. The only limit is your imagination, and maybe your printer's filament.